Hello, my name's Paul Wadsworth from Oxera Repair Products, introducing the new Rebuild 1 Hour resin, which comes in a 400ml side-by-side cartridge. We mount the cartridge into the extrusion tool and take the cap off, and then pump the required quantity out onto the mixing board. Two components should come out at the same time. So we need to check that the middle component is coming out. There is a white section in the middle, the second component that shows there, so we can extrude the product as much as you need. This product is mainly used for bonding and splicing timbers onto other timbers. So we've got two examples here where we're going to use it, but I'll mix the products up first with a folding action. You can see the two components mixing together. Ensure that both components are mixed thoroughly, streak free. Scraping product from the board and also from the spatula as well, to ensure that all components mix thoroughly together. So this 1 hour product cures in 1 hour, can be sandable after the 1 hour. Used as an adhesive, so we're going to bond this section of timber in there. The adhesive is stronger than the timber itself once it's cured, so it'll be very difficult to remove once that's cured. And then we're going to do a splicing with this new piece onto this timber here. This is just applied onto the bonded surfaces. And once pushed in place, as long as there's a good couple of millimetres, then push that in place, that can be left to cure. You can also just apply adhesive around the repair area just to fill in any of the joints, and leave it slightly proud so that you can sand that down after it's cured.